Are you thinking about growing elephant ears, but you're not really sure whether they'll survive in your climate? I put this elephant ear in the ground last year, and it survived in temperatures down to 10 degrees Fahrenheit over the winter. The way to protect them during the winter season is to keep them in the ground. You don't need to take them out. They won't rot like everyone says. That's not true. Just make sure you cover them with some leaves so that they can still get that air circulation, but at the same time, get some protection from the cold weather outside. And as you can see here, they're looking beautiful. Comment and subscribe.